Ever wondered what it feels like to control 8 arms at once? Brace yourself, because the octopus does it every second with 9 separate brains. So instead of one big brain, the octopus has a central command plus a mini brain in each arm, letting them taste, touch, and solve problems all on their own. This wild system means one arm can open a jar, while another builds a protective shelter, and yet another changes its color in a blink, all at the same time. In fact, these creatures outsmart obstacles in ways most animals can't even dream of. Next time you think of intelligence, remember, it can look like tentacles, suction cups, and swirling patterns, ending the myth that brains have to look just like ours.